I got to the tower.
Yeah, when you were respawning. Ow!
After you.
No, behind tower. Are we up top here?
Yeah.
Cool. Yeah, just below you. Alright, switch. Yep. Got one in the trees. Okay, I got right.
Yeah. Oh, coming in from the left.
Yep, coming in right.
Right.
Yeah, he's just
Yep.
creeping through. There he is. Yeah, we just can't see him.
Oh, I can't see shit again, man. How are yours? One more.
Yep. Oh yeah, I see him. My bullets. Oh wait, I think I got him. I got him. They're gone. Yeah, there's a third floor. There's 3 floors. Yeah, I'll cover you. I'll walk you to the stairs with you. Oh, they're down there.
Green smoke! Whoa. Simon? Simon, you keep an eye on that green smoke there. Any power in it, they're dead. This green smoke, it is drifting this way, guys, just to let you know.
Yeah.
Green smoke, guys! Yeah, I think we might be dead, mate. But there is,
To be honest, with the smoke, I can't see anything. Thank you. There was someone pushing on the right when that smoke came in, so I don't know if I can't see him. I can hear him shouting that we're in the tower.
yeah, step on the wood. I would lay my hoodie down.
Yes!
Yeah, they're out, well taken!
I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to get him.
Yeah, when you're shooting it between bushes, it's different.
Yeah! We've got people right, but they're far right. I can't.
And where did I shoot it? Where did I hit you?
There he is. This site is so good. Well,
Straight down there. Yeah?
oh, he's just moved.
Yeah, well taken.
I got him, I think. I got him!
Well taken.
I wasn't sure, and then I see him actually get up. I was like, yes.
It's a tree moving.
Yeah!
It's not moving, so it's just a tree moving, you know, so it's...
That's either is someone or someone's in that tree. Some of the ghillie suits here are insane, aren't they? Oh, there's Spotty Boy. Oh, I can see him. See him? He's gone behind the tree, I can't see him anymore. That's where I am. Oh, he's gone. I think you trade. Oh no, he didn't get hit. He's out. I didn't get him, but someone did.
Good.
Do we just push in?
It won't be that far up, mate.
him right. We've got some people through here as well, be careful. Oh, Justin is so close to him. Oh, yes. Alright. Under. Yep. Go 16 spot. Yeah, no, that's their team, but he's just standing there dead. He's orange, but he's just standing there. Yeah. Oh, yeah. 12. Bloke. There's another one, Jack. They're pushing right, they're pushing right. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Strong.